holding it for 3 minutes, which is what we don't like to see. But I mean, these teams are attacking, and Long Island, Boston, everyone's great shot.
And Kayla Trainer showing the lacrosse fans here tonight at Lincoln Sudbury what she does best, a great individual effort there on that crease. Where that ball is.
But finding players who are vocal, who can lead, and
their own right on the defensive end.
Players in this league who coaches collegiately. Trinidad just took the head coaching job out at Oregon.
And Princeton grad.
Ten seconds left on the clock. There it is.
And getting it in is Maddie Acton, the Lincoln Sudbury native, putting on
Great
a show.
outside shot.
Putting on a show for her hometown crowd. Acton attacking up top, defended by Nora Berry, and buries it past Kelsey Gregerson. A perfect. The ball upfield into the stick of Becca Block, but Liz Hogan there to deny that effort and deny it again. Fake flip there, but Alice Mercer's all over it. Kara Canizero able to get it past former UNC teammates Lynn Serpy on the defense and past Kelsey Gregerson. The trainer possessing for Boston.
Great effort by Lauren Kahn on that. Another diving shot. Boston's all over the place, but they're getting it in.
Lynn Serpy coming up with that caused turnover to Kellen Cartland, pushing transition. And a goal. The Maryland All-American brings it end-to-end and sneaks it past Julie Wadland.
Knowing how exciting it can be, let the players play, and I think let them take these shots. Failure to advance, and you hear as they get closer the players shouting.
Hannah Farr possessed the ball on that far corner, getting a shot off, again denied.
There's also a time limit on the moving the ball up the field and out of your clear. Gives a lot of credit to teams' ride.
And that's what we saw there, a relentless ride from the Long Island Sound and a goal from Hallie Majorana.
It's a great take from Hallie Majorana. Boston's playing a little bit more aggressively on defense, going hard to these doubles.
All to McKinley Hero, a Boston University grad. Some Long Island players that haven't really been getting some time, certainly making their presence known, and that was Nora Berry. A quick early look.
Great outside shot. That should be 2 points.
And that's the first 2-point shot we see of the game. Taryn Van Poff out of Loyola getting it done. Tie game 9-all with just over 11:30 to play.
These are two great teams.